Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make this pop-up with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have designed this pop-up in Figma so that I can convert them into code easily. Now go to my favorite code editor. In the file structure, I have taken one index.html file, a style.css file and a image folder where I will keep image. In index.html I have wrote some basic code, and in style.css I have added a font which is Popup, and I have gave a background color. Now have a look of this file. It's like this. First of all, I need to take a div called Popup. Now I need to create a button. When we will click on this button, it will show us pop-up. So create a pop-up button. I'm taking a div named pop-up button. Open pop-up. Now have a look in the browser. I can see a button in browser. Now I'm giving some style with CSS in this button. I'm giving to CSS property which is width 100% and height 100 base. That means this shape will be full screen of the browser. Now giving some style in button. Background color white, border radius 10 pixel, font size 18 pixel, font weight 600, color black. Now refresh the browser. It's look like this. I think if I give font width 500 pixel instead of 600 pixel, it will look better. Okay, we need to name the border and outline also. Now we will give some padding. We have to change the cursor style. I am giving padding by inspect element so that I can measure the fixed padding. Now it look like this. Now we have to move this button into the center. For this, simply we will give position relative in main div and we will absolute the button div. Now we will move the button from left 50%, from top 50%, and then transform translate -50%, comma -50%. Now it's in the middle. We need to give some box shadow. I'm using RGB color here. I think I have to increase the border radius. Now it's look like this. Now we need to create this white box. For this we will take another div called Modal box. Now we have to insert this image. I'm downloading this image from Figma. From HTML I am calling this image. Now we have to write some text. I'm taking h2 tag for thank you, and I'm taking paragraph tag for this paragraph. Now we need to take a button for close the model. Now refresh the browser. Now it's look like this. We will give a width of model box deep with 500 pixel, background color white, border radius 12 pixel, box shadow we will use same box shadow. Now refresh the browser. Now it's look like this. We have to send all text and image and button in center. That's why we will give text align center in main div. Now it's in center. We have to reduce image size. For that we are selecting image tag, with 60 pixel. Yeah. Now we have to styling the h2 tag. h2 font size 24 pixel, font weight 600, and color I think we have increased the font size for better looking. We have to select this class instead of that class. Okay, now we have to styling the paragraph tag. Font size 18 pixel, color RGB, now it look like this. We will give some font weight like 500 It look like this. We have to create a gap between thank you and the paragraph. That's why we will keep margin 25 pixel and 0 pixel in H2 tag. Now we need to styling this close button. I'm selecting this close button, font size 18 pixel, 500, color white, border radius 12 pixel, background color now it look like this. We have to hide the border and outline for better looking. Border 0, outline. Now applying some padding. Now it look like this. I think I need to increase the padding from left and right for better looking. Yeah, now it's look like this. We have to change the cursor style. Now we need to give some margin 25 pixel. Okay, now we need to give some padding in main div. Padding 20 pixel. I think it will look better if I increase the image size. It should be 100 pixel. Yeah. Now I have to move this whole white pop-up box into this area, like this pop-up, open pop-up button. So I can copy those code for moving this element into vertically and horizontally center. Look like this. Now I have to pull this image in top. Margin top minus 50 pixel. I think I have to increase margin top. Yeah, it will be look like this. Okay, now we have to hide this pop-up. So for this I want to move this pop-up in this area, so that I am giving top 0 pixel. It's look like this, and I have to scale 0. It has been banished. Now when we will click in this open pop-up button, it will be visible. This white box will be visible. So for this we need to write some JavaScript, so that before a body I am taking script tag. Now define the HTML element with let keyword. Let open button, for which button we will use for visible the pop-up. We need to give a ID in open pop-up button. We are giving open document dot get element by ID open. Now for close giving id in close button named close. Now we have to select this full modal in JavaScript id full modal. Let modal, we have to change this id full modal. Now we have to write some function. When we will click on open button, the model will visible, so that we can write add even listener we want when user will click in this open pop-up button, a class will be added in this full modal id. So class list add open modal. So we need to apply some CSS in open modal class. When open modal class will be added, it will change some CSS like top 50% again and scale 1. So now refresh the browser, it will like this, but there is no animation or transition. We will add animation or transition after some times. Now we have to work with close button. We can copy them. Open modal, when user will click on close button, open modal class will remove from full modal, so that we can write remove. Now refresh the browser. I am clicking in open modal, it is visible. When I am click in close button, it will be hide like this. Now we need to add some transition effect. So for this, where the open modal class will be added, we will write some transition. All one as easy. Now have a look in browser. It will animate it. I think the transition time is too much large, so that we can reduce the transition time 0.3 second instead of 1 second. Now it look like this. If you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.